1996 Chevy Silverado 1500 short bed. Really beautiful truck. This is his 5th truck, guys. He just keeps buying these and racking them up at home, fixing them up, making them look good. I guess he's gonna put a 454 in it, but right now it's just got a 5.7 in it, because you guys can see from that sticker over there. You can see. So hopefully he'll bring it back when he's done with that. But what we got done on it's really nice, clean truck. Mint. Got factory converters right there, right there. Then he's got that flange, the normal, for if you want to take it off and on. Then what we did is true dualed it with an X pipe and Borla Pro XS, as you guys can see right there. And then we got it dumped over the rear axle. Look at that, right there. Just something different, something clean. As you guys can see, there's the dual tips dumped. Borla Pro XS. So there's the muffler that was on it and tailpipe. We took all that off and cut it off to clean it up. There's the Borlas. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you guys think? Not bad, not too loud. Here's sound decibels. Again. So right at 90. Go ahead and back it out. He didn't want it too loud. What do you guys think of the sound? Nice stance to it though. I like those wheels. Oh. Pro XS.